How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of yellow teeth, step-by-step guide. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So if you guys look at my teeth are pure white. You can literally see like pure white. I drink coffee. You can literally see the coffee. Coffee stains your teeth. It's the #1 stainer of teeth, that and pop. All my friends who drink coffee, their teeth are pure yellow. So how come mine are white? I do one thing that my friends don't do. I do what's called oil pulling. So what you do is you get 2 tablespoons of olive oil and you just swish it in front of your teeth like this. Do it for 30 seconds and then spit it out. Do this once right before going to bed and once in the morning. You should be brushing your teeth twice a day. When you brush your teeth first and then do the oil pulling, and then at night you can do the flossing. I don't floss in the morning, I just floss at night. So in the morning, brush, oil pull, and then that's it. At night, brush, oil pull, and then floss your teeth. This works amazing. It is 100% better than mouthwash. 100% better. It works. It simply does. Try it out. I guarantee you it will work. A lot of big box chain stores now, if you walk through some of like their health areas, a lot of them are literally having rows now that literally say oil pulling. I walked in the store the other day, I seen a whole row that said oil pulling on it. So it is starting to catch on. I've been doing it for years. That's what I recommend to do. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.